Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Hair channel. It's Mark again. Are you tired of spending your time curling your hair only to have the curls fall flat in a few hours? Don't worry, I got you covered. In this video, I'm going to share a few tips and tricks on how to make your curls last longer. Let's get started. Pineapple. This technique is mostly for women who have longer hair. The way to achieve this is by flipping your hair downward so that all your hair can fall forward. Then you would either want to tie your hair up using a loose ponytail holder or place a scarf around your head so it keeps your hair up. Doing the pineapple is super simple because when it comes time for you to take your hair down, just release the scarf or holder, shake your head a few times and boom, you're good to go. Twist out. It is one of the few styles you can do where it can be turned into so many different looks. Normally, a regular twist out is done on wet hair and it twists in small to medium size. Once taken down, the first day hair normally produces a tight twist. Now, to preserve the twist, just retwist it but do much larger section. The great thing about this method is that each day you unravel the twist. That will give you more volume. Pin curl. Pin curl is also one of your go-to methods to help keep the curls just as they are. You would want to section your hair into medium parts, grab the tips of your hair and begin to roll the hair in a circular motion going up toward the scalp. Once at the scalp, you would lay the circle curl flat down and then secure it with a bobby pin. You can use a regular satin scarf to cover the hair and keep the curls in place. Once you are ready to take down, just slip the bobby pin out and your beautiful curl will bounce back in place. The bending method. The bending method will allow your hair to be super stretched without losing the curl pattern. To achieve this, you would grab a bunch of hair bands. You're simply going to make medium sections, wrap a band around your hair like a ponytail, and continue process on the same section. So, each section should have at least 2 hair bands depending on the length of the hair. Once you're ready to take your hair down, just flip and go. There you have it guys. Those are the 4 best tips to help you preserve your curls for a longer time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe to Make Hair Company, and hit the bell to get notified of our latest updates. Once again, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Make hair the best choice.